I welcome you all to 2024. In today's episode on LTIPS YouTube channel, we're going to be discussing on how we ladies can gain respect from men in 2024. The first thing, as a woman, you need to be educated because in today's world, no man would want to associate with a woman that is not educated. The second thing, as a woman, you must do to gain respect from men is to have a trade. We have different kinds of trade. We have shoemaking, we have bag making, we have tailoring, we have a lot. You can as well go into mechanic. I've seen a woman drive a truck, although it's not a trade. The next thing you must have to do as a lady to gain respect from a man is to respect yourself. If you respect yourself, it will attract respect to you. Not today jumping from thumb to paw. No, it won't attract respect to you. You won't gain respect from a man. And the fourth thing you have to do to gain respect from a man is to have your own money. If you have your own money, you'll be respected. There's this joy in having your own money, not asking for little things, asking for this, asking for that. No, you won't gain respect from a man. And the last thing you need to do to gain respect from a man is to choose your friends. You need to choose your friends, not only choosing friends, but you need to choose the right friends to attract respect to yourself. Round it up in this episode on how to gain respect from men. You have to be yourself as always. Choose your friends, don't let them choose you. We did discuss in this episode that you have to be educated, have a trade, choose your friends, respect yourself, and make your own money. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for our next video.